because I'm about to present this week's theme. I've decided I want to do a theme for each week, for each crew, according to a story I'm about to share with you guys. Last week, Antea, lovely Antea, my dear friend, took me to a yoga class here in Split. It was beautiful yoga class. I love doing yoga. I love stretching my body. But yoga instructor, good ones, they would start the lesson by giving you something to think about, something to strive for. This is what I tried to do this morning with you guys. And I'm going to get better at this from each week. But Anna, our lovely instructor Anna, asked us to focus on within and think about three things, three qualities that we want to improve in ourselves. Now, I'm not going to get into a discussion if you should always chase improvement with yourself and all this kind of stuff. But it got me thinking about things that I don't like about my current lifestyle, the hobbies that I do, and things I want to improve myself. And as part of her things, like she said that think about that, and then she gave some example. And the first thing that I thought about and the first example that she gave were matching. Like even before she said it, I already thought about it. And this is going to be this week's theme. And yes, a week, not a day. I don't think you can do one yoga session and then fix your personality like this. It takes time, not even a week. It's probably going to take me a longer time to do this. But throughout life, all throughout my life, this is how I discovered teaching. I loved teaching and instructing because when I teach and instruct, I am a better version of myself and I learn best by teaching. So any guesses what this week thing is? So she made us think about three things. The first one is going to be this week, second is going to be next week, third is going to be the week after.
I was on that class, should I remember?
No, I didn't tell you. I didn't tell you.
No, but still, I was on that.
Yeah, you were in that class. So this week's topic of the week, this week's theme is I don't know how to write in English. It happens when the computer corrects everything. Yes. Organization! Woohoo! All right? So the first thing that popped into my mind about me and something that I want to improve is organization, right? But Oran, what does organization have to do with this course? This course you promised us that you're going to teach us how to park the boat and also how to use correct terms, not parking the boat. So what does organization have to do with being a good captain?
But even this thing that we did yesterday, you need to organize yourself to check everything, to that everything is on its place.
One thing. So, one thing. What is organization helpful to be a better captain? In what?
Preparation.
Huh?
I know, but that can be another term as well.
Preparation. If you're organized, you prepare, right? So let's write preparation. Help with execution, sure. Okay, we're going a little bit vague. Okay, which is good, which is fine. No worries, let's continue, but aim to more specific. Like, if you're an organized captain, this will not happen. If you're an organized captain, this will happen.
Accidents.
Right, Kate?
Well, I don't know.
You don't forget something important.
You don't forget your guests ashore.
You don't forget your...
Execution, he said.
I put thank you. I forgot what Brandon said.
I know. Stress, decrease stress.
Let's go. What is an unorganized captain? Like, think of him.
Messy.
Messy, right?
Yes.
Would you want to go out with an unorganized captain?
I was out with
I was out with so many unorganized captains. I gotta say, I'll admit, I consider myself an unorganized captain in a lot of the aspects. In a lot of aspects in the boat. Like if you go to my boat in Israel, you see how unorganized. Like the first thing
they see your videos.
they see in the videos, it's unorganized. All right. What can unorganized in that term be bad?
You cannot, for example, find just things on time. because
Exactly. You
it's
cannot
like
find
don't
thing
know
on
what
time
to
because
check.
you're unorganized. You leave the screwdriver over there, or you don't remember where the emergency switch is, or everything is a
Sorry, I
chaos.
just have to say, this week you lived with me, and I'm like, you don't know, you don't see that. But I'm just going around the house and I'm just moving things because I just like that everything is on its place.
Exactly.
And he's like, and he opens something a little bit there and then puts them, and I'm like, this is not on its place.
Live example, all right? I'm not lying to you guys. This is a process that I need to go through. Organization can also come, like we said, in the physical realm where we just put stuff back in place. On a boat, it's very important to put the tools back in place so you don't lose them. Putting stuff, like if we leave the boat like this and we leave the camera in the saloon or something, right? What will happen? We're going out sailing, boom, things flies off. You put something where it's not supposed to be, a leak is gonna be on that specific spot, and your laptop, MacBook, very expensive MacBook, is wet. Unorganization, all right? Thoughts. If your head is unorganized and you're not sure what to do, you get panicked, you're overwhelmed, right? If you're organized, shit, I have a man overboard. I know this boat. I know the procedure. Everything is in my head. Easier. You agree? When things are organized in your head. What else? Anyone has another idea for organization on a boat?
To prevent accidents.
To prevent accidents, right? It will also help prevent accidents. Yeah, so we talked about emergencies. We talked about things not flying away. Oh, you're gonna have a boat one day, a boat of your own. I hope you will. I hope you will. And this is
Everybody
this is
says
this is like a nice reminder to kick you in the ass to go and do that. You need to keep track of the boat, what you've done, what fixes, what got wrong, a logbook of some sort, right? And you'll see that you've done 3 courses with me. Did I ever talk about a logbook? I've made a short lesson about a logbook, but we didn't really keep track because we're on a charter boat. We know where we are. We're doing coastal cruising. At any point, I can tell you where I am, what is the weather, and all this kind of stuff. But if you're doing it for a long time, you need to keep track of your what you're doing. Like, I checked the oil. The oil was good. And then if there is an oil problem, you can go back and say, oh, last time I checked the oil was on that date. Keeping track of fixes, of routine, of maintenance, of your location in case the GPS fucks off and you're doing an offshore cruise. Organization is super important in the terms of logbook. Okay? Yeah, during maneuvers, when you need to do a sequence of actions, if you have a certain organization, that is good. Organization in your brain to know what to do during a stressful situation. Great, so this is going to be this week's theme, right? Of course, we're going to work on everything else, but as a little bonus, we're going to work on organization of the boat, of ourselves, of the process. I'm going to give you guys a notebook, a pen and paper, so that you can start being organized. What I've done, and maybe the first time I've done it, like 2 days ago, to be productive, the day before, I wrote out what I'm going to do the next day as part of organization. And oh my God, that put me in motivation to do stuff. I'm not sure how your routine is, but my routine was like, wake up and see what the day brings and stuff. I don't want to be like, call it an extremist to either side, because I don't think that also being too much organized is not good, because then you don't leave room for the beautiful randomness of life, right? but there is some sort of balance. But this week I want to take it a little bit more towards one end so that I can find the balance. So I'm going to give you guys notebooks, pen and papers. Write down, track what you're doing throughout the day. Oh, I've just learned this. Oh, I've just done that. I had this thought. I have successfully docked the boat 5 times today. And at the end of the day, it's going to be easier to remember stuff. Things will stick better and our confidence will skyrocket at some point. Okay? Let's start school day. Anybody wants to eat anything else? There's some hard-boiled eggs.
We should paint the eggs. It's her Easter. Each one paint 1 egg. It's her Easter.
Okay. We have time in schedule.
Yes.
Schedule is supposed to start at 10.
Spontaneous of the life.
The spontaneous of the life. And Easter.
Spontaneity of life.
Spontaneity of life.
Okay, let's paint the eggs.
Let's paint some eggs.